Migao mar arita Kipchumba Murkomen onyono katiende ni jomano yud kod keth kata ka ketho mwandu mag sirikal ibiro kawnegi okang' mager maket gi mago mag jomaundu. Murkomen mane lose nyim od bura olero ni onge pogruok e kind jomaundu mamonjo piny Kenya kod jo-Kenya mamonjo kendo ketho mwandu mag sirikal. Magi timore tok moko kuom joked ne ratich oganda ne pogore e paro kod Murkomen ewi okang' mane gikawo ne rowere mano monjo kendo wang'o apise mag sirikal kamoting'o tesende mag obila e kinde ng'anyo mopogore mano bagi e pachoka.
Speaker, you don't have to be Osama bin Laden to be a terrorist. It's enough, Mr. Speaker, once you invade a police station, ban a court, ban a supermarket, Mr. Speaker, ban government installation, create fear, use, Mr. Speaker, the opportunity you have to disrupt emergency services like medical services, transport, you are a terrorist. And so, Mr. Speaker, what's only remaining is to go through court process to find out whether Honorable Mukunji is culpable. Otherwise, the acts on their own, Mr. Speaker, especially financing, is even more serious, Mr. Speaker, if you are involved in it. And, Mr. Speaker, it is laughable. These things are laughable until the day of conviction. You know, it's still jokes until, Mr. Speaker, when you are convicted of terror, then you realize the consequences that brings to you as a person and, Mr. Speaker, your loved ones or any other person associated to you. So, Mr. Speaker, I wish my friend the very best. When I met him first when he came to Parliament, he looked like a pastor, Mr. Speaker. I was then surprised that he was suspected of such very serious and heinous acts.